Hey everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel GetAssist.net, and in today's video I will show you how you can log into your WhatsApp account on multiple devices. Now you need not log out of your WhatsApp to log into on another device. You can simultaneously log in on multiple devices. So I am already logged in on one of my devices, one of my iOS device. Now I'm going to show you how I will simultaneously log into my WhatsApp on an Android device. So you can also follow the same steps. What you need to do is you simply have to install the WhatsApp application from Play Store. Even if you have already installed it, you need to uninstall it first of all, and then you have to reinstall it from the Play Store. After that, you have to open it and simply tap agree and continue. Now here on the screen where you're required to enter your phone number, what you need to do is tap the three dots in the top right corner and select link to existing account. So this will ask you to open WhatsApp on your primary phone and tap menu or settings and select linked devices. Then you have to tap on link a device, point your phone to this screen to capture the code. So here I am on my other device and I am in the settings section of WhatsApp. Now you need to select linked devices and then you have to tap on link a device. You will get a screen and you have to capture the code that you are seeing on your other device. So yeah, that's all you need to do. As you can see, I am logged into my WhatsApp on this device that you are currently seeing on the screen. So that's how easily it is now to log into your WhatsApp on multiple devices. And that was it for today's topic. If you found this video helpful, do give it a thumbs up and do subscribe to my channel for more informative videos. And for now, I will take the leave. We'll see you the next time.